Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you Amazon Bengal cotton saree collection with attractive contrast flows. So please watch the video till end. Friends, Bengal cotton sarees are traditional saree from West Bengal, India. Friends, these kind of Bengal cotton sarees are lightweighted, breathable, and offering comfort and elegance with the vibrant colors and print. It is perfect for daily wear, casual occasion, and formal event. Friends, these kind of Bengal cotton sarees are perfect suitable for hot and summer season. Friends, these kind of Bengal cotton sarees are perfect suitable for all age group women. If you wear this kind of saree, it gives a formal and elegant look. Friends, this kind of Bengal cotton saree comes with different range of colors, design and patterns. Friends, these kind of Bengal cotton sarees are available in both online portal and your nearest market. Friends, if you want these kind of Bengal cotton sarees in online portal, please check the link given in the description box. Friends, I hope you guys are love this video. If you like this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and family. Friends, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon for immediate notification. Thank you friends and keep watching.